Indoor plants with large leaves add a touch of lush greenery and a tropical vibe to any room. Their wide, vibrant foliage enhances decor, purifies the air, and makes a bold visual statement. Easy to care for and perfect for pots, they suit homes and offices alike. Let's discover the top big leaf indoor plants in pots. Monstera deliciosa, commonly known as the Swiss cheese plant, is a striking indoor plant prized for its large, glossy, fenestrate leaves. Thriving in bright, indirect light, it adapts well to moderate indoor conditions. Plant it in a well-draining potting mix and water when the top inch of soil dries. High humidity and occasional misting promote lush foliage, while a support pole encourages climbing growth. Monsteras improve indoor air quality and add dramatic tropical appeal to any space. Non-toxic to humans but mildly toxic to pets, they are low-maintenance yet visually impactful, making them a favorite indoor potted plant. Calathea orbifolia is a captivating indoor plant admired for its large, round leaves with intricate silver-green stripes. It thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers soil that remains evenly moist but well-drained. High humidity encourages healthy, vibrant foliage, while direct sunlight can scorch its delicate leaves. Known for its slow yet steady growth, this tropical beauty adds a dramatic, decorative touch to any indoor setting. Often grown in decorative pots, it enhances both homes and offices with a lush, exotic appearance. Pet-safe and low-maintenance, Calathea orbifolia is ideal for plant lovers seeking elegance and texture in their indoor greenery collection. Elephant ear plant, Alocasia macrorhizos, is a bold and dramatic indoor plant known for its enormous, heart-shaped leaves that resemble elephant ears. Thriving in bright, indirect light, it prefers rich, well-draining soil kept consistently moist but not soggy. High humidity enhances its growth and keeps the foliage glossy and vibrant. This tropical beauty can grow tall, making it a striking centerpiece in any room or indoor garden. Ideal for large pots, it adds texture, height, and a lush tropical vibe to interiors. While visually impressive, it is toxic if ingested, so caution around pets and children is advised. Caladium is a vibrant indoor plant celebrated for its heart-shaped leaves adorned with striking patterns in shades of pink, red, green, and white. Preferring bright, indirect light, it thrives in well-draining, consistently moist soil. High humidity enhances leaf color and overall growth, while direct sunlight can scorch the delicate foliage. Often grown in decorative pots, Caladium adds a tropical, ornamental touch to interiors, creating a lively and colorful display. This low-maintenance plant is ideal for homes and offices, providing visual interest and texture. Caladium is non-toxic to humans but should be handled carefully around pets. Philodendron bipinnatifidum, commonly known as the lacy tree philodendron, is a majestic indoor plant prized for its large, deeply lobed, glossy leaves that create a bold tropical presence. It thrives in bright, indirect light but tolerates moderate shade, making it versatile for indoor spaces. Planting in well-draining soil and watering when the top inch is dry ensures healthy growth, while high humidity promotes lush foliage. Often grown in spacious pots, it adds height, texture, and visual drama to homes and offices. While non-toxic to humans, it is mildly toxic to pets. This low-maintenance plant is ideal for a striking indoor centerpiece. Fiddle leaf fig, Ficus lyrata, is a popular indoor plant celebrated for its large, violin-shaped, glossy leaves that make a bold decorative statement. It thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers well-draining soil, with moderate watering when the top inch of soil dries. Sensitive to drafts and sudden changes, it benefits from stable indoor conditions. Occasional cleaning of leaves enhances its shine, and providing a support stake encourages upright growth. Ideal for spacious pots, it adds height and elegance to interiors. While non-toxic to humans, it can be mildly toxic to pets. This plant combines beauty, drama, and tropical charm indoors. Dump cane, Dieffenbachia segae, is a striking indoor plant valued for its large, lush, variegated leaves that brighten any room. It thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers well-draining, consistently moist soil, avoiding waterlogging. High humidity encourages vibrant foliage, while direct sunlight can scorch its delicate leaves. Often grown in decorative pots, it adds tropical elegance and texture to indoor spaces. This low-maintenance plant is ideal for homes and offices but is toxic if ingested, so caution is needed around pets and children. Dump cane combines bold foliage with easy indoor cultivation for a dramatic visual impact. Bird of Paradise, Strelitzia reginae, is a striking indoor plant known for its large, glossy, banana-like leaves and vibrant, exotic flowers resembling tropical birds. It thrives in bright, indirect to direct sunlight and prefers well-draining soil kept consistently moist, allowing slight drying between waterings. High humidity encourages healthy foliage and flower production. Ideal for spacious pots, it adds height, texture, and a tropical flair to interiors. Low maintenance yet visually dramatic, it enhances decor with bold greenery. While non-toxic to humans, care should be taken around pets. Bird of Paradise brings elegance, color, and a tropical centerpiece to indoor spaces. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum wallacei, is a popular indoor plant admired for its glossy, dark green leaves and elegant white blooms. It thrives in bright, indirect light but can tolerate low light conditions, making it ideal for homes and offices. Plant in well-draining soil and water when the top inch dries, ensuring consistent moisture without overwatering. Peace lilies enjoy moderate humidity, which promotes healthy foliage and flowering. Grown in decorative pots, they enhance indoor decor while also improving air quality. Although safe for humans, they are mildly toxic to pets if ingested. This low-maintenance plant combines beauty, elegance, and ease of care. Rubber plant, Ficus elastica, is a popular indoor plant known for its large, glossy, dark green leaves with a striking waxy texture. It thrives in bright, indirect light but can tolerate moderate shade, making it versatile for indoor spaces. Plant it in well-draining soil and water when the top inch of soil dries, avoiding overwatering. Moderate humidity encourages healthy foliage, while occasional leaf cleaning enhances its shine. Grown in pots, it adds height, structure, and tropical elegance to interiors. While non-toxic to humans, it is mildly toxic to pets. This low-maintenance plant is ideal for dramatic indoor decor.